So hello guys. It's funny how I am so in love with what I am doing, and I could do it over and over again without even getting tired of it. I don't know. I have maybe developed I don't know. I've probably developed love for this thing because it makes me want to think better every day. Okay, I just have to like put my thoughts organized every single day. I don't know what that means, but you are free to think what you wanna. I was saying that because I was just recording and I realized that I might not have been audible, so I had to cut short the video and redo another. And this problem that when I want to explain a concept to you guys, I have to I have to make a longer video that is making me that makes me get to the depth of of what the market is, and I can just post the short videos that I make. They just have to they just have to be in my laptop. Um, so what I wanted to talk about is that what is really moving the market is the algorithm. I keep I keep talking about that every time. I will talk about that all the time. And by the algorithm, I mean what are we talking about? We're talking about candlesticks and time. If you look down here, here at the horizontal bar here, you are going to see time. That's very important. And see if you look at now the blank space, the walking area, you won't see candlesticks. That's basically what is on the algorithm, and it's doing things. What is it doing? It's referring to um its previous points of interest. And what are these points of interest? I call them ICT call them I call them arrays, and those are the PD arrays, the premium discount arrays. We have the imbalances, stroke inefficiencies. What do I mean by that? We have like this one here. That's a BC. See that here? That's a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Why did I write it reclaimed BC here? You see that here, there? Because I think price is gonna come sit on it and go up. But I don't want to get to that right now. Okay. Um, I just want to show you why I think the market is doing what it's doing. So I was just talking to my bro and I was telling him that uh these motherfuckers are they it's like the algorithm is feeding off the human flesh, and it's so sad that we are seeing wars, and the wars are with the wars and the fears are brought into the markets. Okay, you're gonna see that w- whatever you're trading out there, you're gonna see these volatilities, these weird volatilities in the market because of what is going on. We are seeing the wars that are happening when U.S. and Israel are in war with Iran, and we are seeing that these these um these these activities, these inhumane activities are brought into the markets, and it's not random that what is happening in the markets is what is happening outside here. And that is simply why I say that I don't want to say that everybody should trade. I just want to say that for you to be free, you have to understand, you have to know the truth, and the truth will set you free. This thing, this thing is all coming back, okay? It's all coming back. It's all coming back to one thing. It's all coming back to spirituality. And that's the first time you had me talking about that in trading. It needs you to understand deeply of what is happening in this world that we are in. Um, we have to know that we are living in a lie where we are told that money is what there is, and without money you are nobody. And after giving you that narrative, they they give you they they wanna, I don't know what I wanna say. They wanna feed off your mind. They teach you what you they want you to believe in. And then for the rest of your life, you're gonna be chasing something that you will never catch. You are not gonna hear me talk about things like these. And it's because me here, I am still waking up to the fact that if you don't understand what the system is, you're lost. If you don't understand what money is, because the market is gonna teach you the value of a dollar. It did. Oh my God, it did. And what's the value of a dollar? It's nothing. It's fucking nothing. They are giving you an economy, and the market is feeding off the economy. So you're working for the economy. You're not working. You're not working to to improve yourself. You're not working to mind your own business. And right here, this being right here, it's still a business. The system is not going to teach you about business. The system is not going to tell you what money is, but it will show you how to work for it and to spend it. Yep, these motherfuckers out here flexing bands on their ears. Oh, we don't call that money over here. I simply want to get to you, bro. Okay? I want to tell you that when you come across these videos, you're gonna see the things that I was going through, and you're gonna see them raw and rare because I'm going through a lot, and I don't want to lie about it. Um, it's so hard. It's like when It's like when you're about to wake up in the morning. That feeling is so good, but it's so sad because for me it's so sad because I know I'm probably gonna come here and meet reality and wanna face everything that's going on. Okay, waking up is not easy. This right here, this moment right here, is very important for my growth. I started trading in 2023. Um, at around May, I was working in a car wash, and I had somebody mention it, or I saw somebody do it, but I don't know what kept me going. I don't know. I love hard things, bro. You're not gonna meet no hard thing in the market. Nothing out here. Nothing will match. Even the hardest courses. Nothing out here, bro. The market has no syllabus, bro. It just keeps going, and it's like you're surfing on something. You know, if you understand what I'm talking about. Um, it's also important to understand that it takes time, so don't rush it. Because I tried to rush it, and it it did me bad. It kicked my ass till I just came to giving to I just gave in, and I felt like quitting, but I just had to surrender. Let me take a look at the minute. Oh, 12 minutes. We have like 8 minutes. Apparently this trading view feature allows me to record 20 minutes worth of um data. So those who think that you're gonna quickly come into this thing and get your money off, you're fucked up. And bro, once you come to understand everything that is happening, because I know right now you cannot understand because you're in school and there are some things that I can't tell you, and I still don't want to rush your process because I know that's scary. So I put them in the video for you. Yep, because I love you. We grew together, and every moment that I had with you was, oh my God. I want my bro to come out here and we're gonna spend time together. He's goddamn. He got aura, man. He got aura. He's he's like what I wanna spend my time, most of my time with. his family, bro. His uh, so let's quickly go to what I was talking about. I was talking about this reclaimed BC here. BC, what does that mean? The buy side imbalance sell side inefficiency here. The buy side, it's a buy side imbalance. Okay, it's it's got a buy side gap. Why? How you gonna see that gap? See the high of that candlestick here? You see the open of this candlestick here? This buy side candlestick here? The up close candlestick? You also want to involve this volume imbalance. Whoa, something new here, okay? A volume imbalance. Okay, we're gonna want to put that in this column. And we're gonna name it volume imbalance. So that, oh, but these things are not used. Ah, how are they used in the market? Let me show you. What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this? Your ass? What the fuck is this? Your ass too? Fuck you. These things are reused all the time. Begin. Okay? Beware of these things. This volume imbalance here. Okay? What's up? That's up. Discount array. It was used as a discount array here. Okay? Now we're doing something here. Uh-huh. And you're gonna notice that the volume imbalance is either a new day opening up or a new week opening up. Remember that I put off all of the lines that you were seeing previously? You understand my chart is clear right now. You can see so many lines. Those were the new day opening ups. I know right now you know what I wanted you to understand. I wanted you to slow down and understand how these daily candlesticks are closing and are opening. Okay? Because that is the most important thing. That is the most important thing you'll ever do here. Being in the daily time frame. Yep, 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 yep. Um, you can see this here as a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. Same thing. Uh-uh. See that here? I also wanna pass a concept right quick. I don't know. Maybe let's put it for the next video. Let's put it for the next video, okay? A child is crying out here. Let me just cut short the video.